Hey guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this section on goal setting. I actually have a few cool resources for you. What I would suggest is, number one, if you are ready to take yourself to the next level, check out my course, Internet Jetset, or the Super Affiliate System. I have a few training courses that are specifically made and that have much longer sections and much more material on figuring out your goals, separating the bad, putting in more to the positive, and getting through those mental roadblocks that hold us back from achieving what we want to achieve. Another massive recommendation is going through Tony Robbins' Unleash the Power Within seminar. I've been a massive advocate of Tony Robbins since like day one, and his programs have helped me immensely. I would not recommend getting an audio version. I would not recommend getting a video version. Tony Robbins is 100,000% best experienced in person. His genius is on the stage. He's amazing at it. It's unbelievable. He creates an experience like you've never had ever before. The only thing I can think of it is like, it's like the ultimate like religious experience. It's just unbelievable. So I would 100% check it out. Some people are like, it's a cult, it's a cult. No, it's just really badass experience. He does it so well, it's scary. So check it out. Do it. Unleash the Power Within is his starter program. I think the tickets are like $100 to $1,000 or something. The thing about his experiences is why they're so great is that they dive deep into the physiology. Like right now, you're intellectually understanding what I'm talking about. I'm kind of giving you a logical framework of like, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, like I've got this framework for like what I need to do and like what I'm doing wrong and like, okay, like I get it mentally. But what Tony Robbins takes you through is through the experience and through being surrounded by others going through the same situations you are, you both lock down emotionally and physiologically. You create your goals because everybody has within their goal, within their, intellectual goal, $10,000, I'm gonna be making $10,000 a month. There's an emotional component to how you're feeling when you've achieved your goal, to when you're achieving your goal, to when you're doing your best work. That's important. And there's also a physiological component to that. And you need to have all of these things combined, not just thinking right, but really emotions and your physiology are trump logic in many cases. It's kind of just our animal wiring. So he does a good job of putting you in a setting, and it needs to be physical setting. We're not robots, we're not computers, we're animals. So we've got to really get in that setting to really lock down these goals. The next thing is I would suggest you join, this is the #1 affiliate program that I've promoted and I believe out there, and it's called MOBE. And MOBE is the best affiliate program. Just join it. There is a small monthly charge, but I think it's a one-time charge. But basically what's great about this affiliate program is they have a very solid community. They have in-person events which you can attend. It's a great program. They've paid out over $100 million to different affiliates. So as you're getting started in your affiliate marketing journey, I just say join this program because it's going to be the best program that I recommend. It's paid out the most to its affiliates. It's been around for years. It's actually run by a friend of mine, Matt Lloyd. You won't regret joining this program. It's got so much involvement, so many people have gone through it, and so many people are making money with it. It's unbelievable. Definitely highly recommend. Last but not least, obviously, I'm hoping you guys are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, my Facebook. Connect with me on all the different social media outlets. I'm available. I'm always putting out content to help you guys out. And I'll also subscribe to my friend's channel, Project Life Mastery with Stefan Palirmos. Stefan's an absolutely great, he's also a massive Tony Robbins follower and fan, and he's got some great stuff on goal setting and achieving your goals. So hopefully that helps. Here's some cool resources to help lock it down. Again, if you're looking to surround yourself with more people and more influences that are of the right mentality, you owe it to yourself. Check out all these resources that I'm giving you. Become a part of things. Get one of my more advanced courses because that's what's going to take you to the next level. I work with people all day. I've got this down to a science. Everything you've just heard, I take it, I distill it, and make it happen. But don't forget the in-person stuff as well, affiliate program, and other YouTubers who are of the same wavelength. So hopefully you guys enjoy that, and let's get moving onwards.